Well, here we are in an unfamiliar place. It's a slideshow. I don't know if we've looked at this before. Maybe we have a little bit. You need this slideshow, and it's available to you if you check your mail. So first thing you need to do is go to your mail, and you should see a message from me to share this file with you. So the one that you're going to work on is actually the one that I'm working on right now. It looks exactly like this because it's the same one, because we're sharing it. And it's about the provinces in Canada. Now, let's have a look at slide number 2. Over here are the slides. Here's slide 1, and this has got some information on it. And slide 2 is right here, and if I click it with the mouse, I can see this map of Canada. This is the shape of Canada, and you can see there are numbers on the map. And each of those numbers represents a province of Canada. Now, in the United States, everything is divided up like this kind of, and it's divided into 50 shapes, and those shapes are called states. What state do you live in? You live in the town of Baton Rouge. And where is Baton Rouge? What state is it in? It's in Louisiana. So Louisiana is the state. But Canada doesn't have states, but it does. We just call them something different. We call them provinces. So this is about learning the names of the provinces in Canada, and each one of these provinces has a number. So we're starting over here. It says 1. This is the first one, and then it goes 2, 3, or 4, and then it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 10, 11, 12, and 13 is this little tiny one right here. That's what it is. Very hard to see because it's so small. It's a very small province. This is a really big province. Here's a big province. So what I want you to do is find out what are the names of these provinces by using your atlas or by using Google Maps. You can use whatever you want to figure it out. And then I want you to label the map so that we can see what the name is. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We need to write on the map. We need to put a label on. So we need to come up here, and we need to create a text box. See, when I mouse over this shape, this square with a T in it, I get this thing that says text box, and I click it, and it seems like it doesn't do anything, but if I come down here, now it's changed and I get the crosshair, and I want to put the name here. So if I click and hold the mouse button down, now I can draw a box. And when I let go of the mouse, I'll get a box like this that has handles on it. These are the handles around the outside edge, and this one at the top would let me spin it around if I want. So now I can type in here, and I'm going to help you with this first one. You can just type. The first one is called British Columbia. And you see how it kind of doesn't fit. I mean, Columbia should be all one word and it doesn't fit. That's okay. Just grab this right here and just pull it a bit this way. And you can grab this and pull it a bit that way. And there it goes. Now it fits. And now if you want, you can move this box around. You can put it there, or you can say, well, I want it to be up here. I want it to go into this space right here. No, I want it way down here. Wherever you want it to be, you can just drag, and you know how to drag things around. You push down the left mouse button. Wait till you get this shape with the 4 arrows at the corners, and then push the mouse down and hold it down, and then you can drag it down here. Look, there it is. Drag it and put it up there. For now, I'm going to put it down here, so when you get started, see what happens. Look, click it, the handles come back. Click over here, they go away. So click on here. The first thing you're going to do is drag British Columbia up and put it in this space. But your job is to find out what all of these other ones are called. Kind of important that you find out about number 5, but you'll find out why. So let's get started with that. What's that, you say? What are these red dots? Well, we're going to come back to those red dots later, but those red dots represent the capital city of each of the provinces. So you live in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I believe that Baton Rouge is the capital city of the state of Louisiana. It's where the government of Louisiana is. And so these dots here represent where the capital city of each of the provinces is located. Here's an important province to me. And here's kind of a cool place. I've been there. So your job is to find 13 names and put them on the map. Now when you get over here into this tight little area here, don't worry about it. You can just drag, like if I was going to use this one, I would just put it right under number 11. You don't have to put it on top. And if I was doing number 13, I'd probably put it maybe right there or just in there, close by the number, because it's really hard for number 12. You know, I just put it underneath. There's number 12, and I just put the name right underneath because it's really hard to get your name to go right on that spot, right? I mean, it kind of doesn't fit and it's really hard to see. So don't worry about it over there. When you get over to that side, just put it right beside the number that you want to represent. And that's your homework for this assignment. The names of Canada's provinces, and then you're going to use insert a text box and type the name, and then I'm going to be able to see it because we are sharing this slideshow. And that's your homework for today.